This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here in Jackson, Georgia. And today's truck is a 2025 Peterbilt 589 tandem axle dump truck. Got the 16-foot insulated Tebco body on it, air operated high lift gate. Got your pintle hitch on the back with your trailer air brakes. It's got 46,000 pound Chalmers rear suspension, 430 gears, 11R 24/5 drive tires, polished aluminum air tanks, dual sided cab exhaust, stainless visor, 4 air horns on the hood, 315 ADR 22/5 steer tires, your front toe pin, let's take a look underneath the hood. Under here we got our 500 horsepower Cummins X15 1850 torque. And transmission is 18-speed Eaton automated transmission with the rock-free mode. Take a look inside. It's got a premium interior package, leather seats, driver and passenger side. Down here you'll find all your body controls and PTO mode. Rear mat pocket, cup holder mounted to the floor, extra gauges, Cobra CB radio, it's got dual mirror mounted CB radio antennas, multi-function steering wheel, leather wrapped. We have 2 of these trucks available. If you think you can use one or possibly both, give me a call, 706-372-4698. And you could also email me at rvargo@peteatlanta.com.